viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how Tungrymbai is made. Tungrymbai is our local recipe. It is made out of a fermented beans. So mummy is going to cook in this recipe. This video is specially made for those friends who have requested me personally and asked me how Tungrymbai is made. So it is very tasty and you guys can try it out. In the market we get it in this form, which is packed in a leaf, so we can scoop it up and then we can boil it. We have to boil it for around 6 to 8 hours, so it depends on you how long you can boil it. The more you boil, the more it is tasty. Some they boil for few hours. Some people likes to smash it and boil it, but here I prefer to eat it just like that without smashing. So it's boiling. As you can see, the water has dried up. We have to boil till the content becomes thick. We have to boil it till it becomes thick like this. We have to boil a pork. Boil it till it is cooked. Chop the pork into pieces. So here we are using a black sesame seed. Roast it in a pan. And then you can grind it into a paste. Here we have chili, onion, garlic and ginger, and then make it into a paste. Add these ingredients into the heated oil. Stir it well. You can add pork over it. Next we add turmeric. Stir it. Add salt to taste. Here we have grind a fresh turmeric. We add it. This helps in giving a fresh, tasty flavor. Add the black sesame seed. Stir it well. So you can add water if it sticks on the pan. Stir it properly. Add the Tungrymbai in it. Stir it. So it has started boiling. As you can see now, it is boiling and it is almost ready to be served. And it's smelling really good. So now the dish is ready, so you can have it. It is best served with rice. Thanks for watching my video.